GPS, also known as Global Positioning System, is widely used today for tracking purpose. The drone industry is also dependent on the reliable network of GPS satellites today. This is today's most popular GPS module, uBlock's Neo 6M GPS. This module is very easily available in the market. It comes in very smaller size with UART, that is serial port connection. This module also provides onboard voltage regulator and position fixed indicator LED. Then let's see how to interface this module with Arduino. GPS module has 4 pins. First, connect the VCC pin of GPS to 5V pin of Arduino. We are going to use software serial port library in Arduino program which can turn any digital pins of Arduino into UART pins. So connect RX pin of GPS to digital 3 pin of Arduino which is set as virtual TX pin. Then connect TX pin of GPS to digital 2 pin of Arduino which is set as virtual RX pin. Then connect GND pin of GPS to GND pin of Arduino. Now let's switch to the programming section of this module. Before going to program Arduino, we need to download the GPS processing library. This is because GPS device returns a raw data which is called as a NMEA sentences. It's quite hard to understand the NMEA data for us. So to decode this data, we will need a special library. This library helps us to retrieve the latitude, longitude values as well as so many other values which GPS actually returns. Go to the link given in the description of this video to download the library. Install the library as shown in the following steps. After successfully uploading the program, testing of this module should be done outdoors and in open area for getting best and faster results. It takes minimum 4 to 5 minutes to catch the satellites, which is called as a warm-up time. Usually, GPS requires connection with minimum 4 to 6 satellites to return the latitude, longitude and other positional data to its user. Once it gets connected with more than 4 satellites, the position fixed indicator LED on GPS module starts blinking periodically.